breaking news tonight we are following. A judge releases documents in a John Doe investigation into campaign fundraising during the 2012 recall election. WISN 12 News political reporter Kent Wayne Scott spoke with the governor about those allegations that are in those documents. Kent.
Yeah, take a look. This is that stack of documents unsealed today by the Federal Appeals Court in Chicago. More than 250 pages. We're getting our first look at the special prosecutor in the John Doe case calling this a criminal scheme, with Governor Scott Walker right in the middle of it, describing it as extensive unlawful activity involving the governor, his campaign, and third-party groups and political organizations. Now, there have been no charges filed, and the governor calls the accusations categorically false. So we asked the governor this afternoon what he thinks people will take away from this. Seeing prosecutors using the term criminal scheme in association with you does what?
Well, again, I hope people will look at the facts, and the facts are you have a state judge that wasn't appointed by me, wasn't aligned with me at all, make the case earlier this year that didn't think there was a foundation for this, and you had a federal judge that made a similar finding.
Now, the governor was in town to speak at a water summit and said he had not yet seen the documents. One document cites an email sent to former Bush campaign advisor Karl Rove by the governor. The prosecutor accuses Walker of discussing the role that advisor R.J. Johnson played in Walker's campaign and a third-party group. They state that you sent an email to Karl Rove suggesting coordination with R.J. Johnson. Did that happen? Again,
I have not seen that. I don't know what specifically they're talking about, but I can't imagine that.
Many of these documents that were unsealed today date back to late last year. They've already been considered by the courts in this case, but they are being seen by the public for the first time.
All right, thanks, Kent. 12 News reached out to Walker's opponent in the governor's race, Democrat Mary Burke. She declined to comment today, but the Democratic National Committee released this statement saying, quote, "For years, Walker has refused to answer questions about his conduct. Now that prosecutors have alleged criminal conduct by Walker, it's time for him to come clean to the people of Wisconsin and face the consequences, whatever they may be." This is the second John Doe investigation surrounding Governor Walker. 6 people who worked for Walker when he was Milwaukee County executive were convicted in the first John Doe, including 2 staffers found guilty of doing campaign work on the public's dime. So here's what we know right now. A federal judge within the last hour rejected a request to unseal all of the documents in the John Doe investigation. The investigation again stems from campaign fundraising during the 2012 recall election. Walker is up for re-election this year and has been mentioned as a possible candidate for the presidency in 2016. New at